Okay, YouTube, as you can see here, we had a nice car wreck going on. It's a big mess. She's suspected for drunk driving. The whole side of her car's torn up. Got the tow truck come to pick her up, and she hit some mailboxes, trash cans, trash everywhere. Here's a piece of the car on the ground. Bricks everywhere. All over people's lawns. We got the cleanup crew. People, all the mailboxes have been hit.
Now, get a bunch of bricks and start lining our yard.
Oh, yeah! Lady that got busted. Oh, damn. Clean up everywhere. And she's gonna go sit in the car, I'm guessing. Gotta check on that. As you can see here, we got the tow truck about to take the wrecked car. The lady has been put in the back of the cop car, so I'm guessing she has got some trouble. Those mailboxes, as you can see here, those total up about $500 each, and she hit two, so she's got $1,000 right there. So it's gonna be cheap for her part. Cop car. That cop car you just saw pass by had the lady in it, so I'm guessing they're taking her down, you know, to go question and crap. That car stinks flat, you can probably hear that. That's just the rim, probably gonna break. The car just walked up. Piece of brick fell out the car. They'll be taking that away. I'm guessing it's not gonna be totaled, but close to it. Brick. Got the cop car still there. He's blocking off roads both ends. Cars will put it up and it's done for now. Okay, YouTube, well that's mainly the wreck part. Now what we got left is cleanup all over. But I'm pretty sure that will be done by tomorrow. I'll check it out tomorrow when I go to school. Check all this mess that's all over scattered. Ain't gonna be easy to clean up, ain't gonna be cheap, so we'll see how that goes. See you, YouTube.